Before the video starts, going mention and a spoiler warning for those who haven't seen the first episode of She-Hulk yet. Make sure to watch it over at Disney Plus first before coming over here and continuing watching my review for the first episode of She-Hulk. It might contain some spoilers from the actual episode. Then there's a bad for the spoiler warning. Also, very mention only 13% of you guys are subscribed to the channel here. For 86% who are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to press that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when a new video will be uploaded to the channel here. For people who are new here, I do videos 2 days a week on my channel here. I do gameplay videos, review videos, reactions, and sometimes vlog videos. And that is all for this part of the video. And now enjoy my She-Hulk Attorney at Law episode 1 review, and enjoy the video. Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the very first episode of She-Hulk Attorney at Law. And I also mentioned before I get right into my review, thanks for getting my channel up to 100 subscribers. My next goal for this channel is 200 subscribers for the channel here. And now I go into the review. The episode starts with a new character named Jennifer Lantern, which is a cousin of Bruce Banner, and she's in her attorney's office and figure out how to do whatever case she's doing with her co-workers, and she said she was a Hulk, and she talks to the fourth wall, and kind of like what Deadpool kind of does. And we went to a few months after when she first became She-Hulk, and Mark Ruffalo returns to play his character Bruce Banner, and it shows how he is returned to his human form. He had a prototype device that keeps him from going back to his first Hulk look, and both of them were on the car and talking about Captain America, and then the Sicarian ship and from Thor Ragnarok makes a small return to attack both Jennifer and Bruce, and Bruce's blood got onto Jennifer's arm, and that's when she first became She-Hulk, and hulked out into the forest, and then she got unconscious and shot up in a small town, and went to some kind of bar, and went into a bathroom so she can clean up, and then some one of them ladies came in and said they want to help with some kind of makeup for some reason, and she doesn't want makeup, and she wants to call her Bruce her cousin, and then she went outside for him, and some guys were trying to flirt with her and probably trying to he robbed from her, and then he hulked out again, and then she got unconscious, and what about some place that was in Mexico, and then she went downstairs and found Bruce in his smart Hulk form, and he told her that the drama doesn't go away, and he's a powerful now, and she doesn't want to be She-Hulk, and Bruce helped her during and calming down with and be at peace with the She-Hulk side of her, and Bruce got pretty jealous, and then they fought later on in the episode, and Jonathan wanted to go back to her normal life of being a lawyer and win against cases is in a courtroom, and Bruce tried to tell her that She-Hulk is a powerful, and she has no choice but to be a superhero, and she didn't listen and went back to her normal life before the whole She-Hulk thing happened, and when she was doing her job, bad guy came in and destroying the place, and Jennifer and Tori hulked out and went against the bad guy, and that's where the first part of the episode ends, and then we go right into the first post-credit scene of the series here, and we got Jennifer back with Bruce talking about Captain America, and Bruce told her what happened with Captain America all the way back in the first Captain America movie, and she said she knew it, and she was about to swear about Captain America, and got cut off, and this is the first episode where the first episode ended, and that's about it for today's episode review of She-Hulk, the Attorney at Law. And make sure to subscribe and for more She-Hulk, Attorney at Law review videos, and stay tuned for more Tom Crustatius season and review. I'm going to be doing the first episode of Tom Crustatius season 4 review here next Monday, and next Wednesday I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to be doing my I will be doing my spoiler review on Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. Listen, stay tuned for those videos. And don't forget to give this video a like and comment, and leaving your thoughts down below in the comments, and saying what you guys think of the episode. And I will see you guys next week for my Count Crustatius and Multiverse of Madness reviews, and peace.